This is the most common question that every person who is involved in a court case asks to their lawyer. When will my case be over? When will my case be decided? And lawyers never have an answer to this question. But I'm going to answer this question in this video. If you're watching this from India or any other country, then this video is for you. Because wherever you are in the world, this problem is common. Cases are taking a long time to get decided. So I'm going to tell you the 7 reasons why court cases are pending day by day. Reason no. 1 is the pendency of cases. What does that mean? For example, if a case was filed in the year 2020, but the hearing of that case has been going on since the year 2021, but it's still not over, it means that this case is pending. And if you look at the Indian scenario, there are so many cases that are pending in the courts. In fact, as of today, if you look at the Supreme Court of India, there are approximately 70,000 cases that are pending in the Supreme Court itself. And we know that the Supreme Court is the highest court in the land. So you can imagine what would be the situation with the lower courts. And when so many cases are pending, each and every case obviously is going to take more time than it should be. And this is reason no. 1 why your case is not getting decided. Reason number 2 is the unavailability of judges. Again, coming back to the Supreme Court of India, we have only 34 judges as against the sanctioned strength of 33. We don't even have 1 judge extra. And again, this is leading to a lot of delay because when there are not enough judges to do the work, then obviously cases are going to pile up and your case also will suffer because of this reason. Reason no 3 is the lack of infrastructure. There are so many courts in India and outside India. But if you look at the infrastructure, there's always a dearth of infrastructure. There's always a shortage of infrastructure. There aren't enough courtrooms. There aren't enough offices for the court staff, and this leads to more pendency and obviously delays in deciding your case. The 4th reason is the faulty legal system. Now, what do I mean by faulty legal system? I mean the procedure that has been laid down. The Code of Civil Procedure, the Criminal Procedure Code. They were made ages back, and those were drafted in such a manner that they take a lot of time for a case to get decided. The 5th reason is the attitude of the judges. Now, this may sound very harsh, but judges also have their own attitude and they decide how fast a case has to be decided. Some judges want to drag cases unnecessarily. Some judges are very, very efficient and fast. But again, this is something that you cannot control. This is something which is at the discretion of the judge. Reason no. 6 is the attitude of the lawyers. Sometimes lawyers also don't want a case to get over .y because they have to earn money. As long as the case is going on, they're earning money. Once the case is over, once the case is decided, then obviously their income in that case will stop. So some lawyers also intentionally try to drag cases. And reason number 7 is the attitude of the litigants. What do I mean by litigants? The parties, the people who are fighting the case, the plaintiff and the defendant. Sometimes they don't want a case to get over because they're enjoying the fight. They like to keep on fighting. So these are the 7 reasons why cases are pending day by day. And I'm not blaming any of the institution. This is just an overall scenario that exists everywhere in the world. The pendency of cases, the lack of infrastructure, the lack of judges, all of this leads to delay in deciding cases. But if you ask me what you can do in this scenario, then according to me, you should engage yourself in alternative dispute resolution methods. ADR is the need of the hour. ADR can be a ray of hope. ADR includes methods like mediation, conciliation, negotiation, settlement, and these methods can be used at any point in time during the pendency of a case. And these methods will help you to reach a resolution without taking your case to the court, without getting an order from the court. And this is what I suggest everybody should do. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family members. And if you have any other questions, please write to me at the email ID provided below. Thank you very much.